Yella, come along with us to go free at a Canadian restaurant and watch Fetzi and steal my chips. So Fetzi and I went through to go fetch his dad, and as you can see, after 13 years of being together, my conversation is boring because this man is gaping lang gape next to me. So as you can see in the weather here in Scotland is weathering at the moment. The 2 summer t-shirts I have in my cupboard are working overtime. Anyways, we got Gareth's dad and then we headed down to South Queen's Ferry. Now normally we drive over the bridge, so this was my first time being under the bridges, and guys, it is absolutely beautiful. So the place I found for us is called Down the Hatch, and it is a Canadian style restaurant. You can obviously choose to sit inside or outside. Obviously we chose to sit outside because guys, one ray of sunshine here in Scotland and we are like animals being let out of captivity. We need to be in the sun. Now I know there's going to be a oom in my comment section being, but you didn't technically sit outside. Jy het already aftak gesit. Oom, asseblief gaan kyk jy nuus of iets. So anyways, that's just a quick overview of the menu. They do a lot of burgers, fries, hot dogs, daai tipe kosse. This was Fetzi and some milkshake, a Oreo milkshake with whipped cream on top. And this was the hot dog that he had, some pulled pork, jalapeno besigheid. It looked divine. I, however, had to mix it up a bit because I eat chicken tenders every day of my life. And I thought, Sherry, kan nie nou weer chicken tender kom eet nie. So I decided to go crazy and I got me a chicken burger. So it's my chicken in a different shape. My I must say the burger was burgering. It was delicious. Anyways, after lunch we went for a walk along the pier. We saw these guys rowing, and guys, I rowed one time in my whole life in a canoe and my arms pyn nog steeds van dit. So it's safe to say you'll never catch me doing that sport ever in my whole life. Anyways guys, if you want to eat lekker, get down the Hatch in South Queen's Ferry. Okay, bye!